This brand is made in China and is available through their website or on Amazon. The units are available with many color options, styles, and sizes to match the size and decor of any home. The units are backed by a very good guarantee, but they do not have Wi-Fi or voice controls for convenience. The Extreme Air Tower bladeless HPF500 WHS model combines a bladeless fan design with a 3-stage purifier and an LED accent light for a very modern look and feel to the unit. It has a 9-speed fan that is super quiet and a fan mode with oscillation to better circulate the air in the room. The 3-stage purifier has a 117 square feet coverage area with an 83 CADR delivery rating. The HP980 Air Max Whole Home model has a 4-speed fan that can be controlled by an air quality sensor when the unit is in the auto mode, as well as 3 stages of air filtration. It has a 640 square feet coverage area with a 432 CADR delivery rating and a noise rating of from 37 decibels, which is as quiet as a library, and low speed to 58 decibels, which is still less than the level of normal adult conversation in high speed. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.